Hi, my name is Kenny C. My story begins when I took early retirement from my employer and moved back home to my hometown in Arkansas. I supported myself as a freelance graphic design artist, and for any of you out there who have ever worked freelance, you know it sometimes may pay well, but the work is not always steady. Getting paid can sometimes take forever, and most importantly, there are no federal taxes deducted. The IRS eventually set me up on an affordable monthly payment plan, but unfortunately late fees and interest were more than my monthly payments, so when all was said and done, my monthly balance each month increased. Of course, things can happen, and I eventually missed a payment. That made the IRS immediately discontinue my installment plan. They wanted the entire balance of my tax debt due immediately, or they would put a lien on all of my bank accounts. At this point, I had no idea what I was going to do. I had seen commercials for other tax debt relief companies, but I had my doubts. After doing a Google search, the first link displayed was for Optima Tax Relief. I filled out a quick online form, and I don't think a minute had passed before a very nice lady from Optima was calling me. I explained my situation, and she told me very bluntly, "We can help you." I still had some doubts, but with no other place to turn, I agreed. The letters from the IRS were immediately stopped, and for once in a very long time, I felt like there was light at the end of the tunnel. During my entire experience, I was never talked down to, and I was always treated with the utmost dignity and respect. Each step of the process was explained to me in detail, along with what was expected of me. If I ever had a question, answers were only a phone call or email away. They also had representatives call me each month to give me a progress report and to make sure all was well with me. Now that my case is settled, I can once again enjoy life and not worry about the IRS. They also gave me advice and tips on how not to get into the same situation again. I seriously don't know where I would be had I not let Optima Tax Relief take control. As it's sometimes said in the fine print, individual results may vary, but if you ever have a problem with the IRS and paying your taxes, I would highly recommend you contact Optima Tax Relief. You won't be disappointed. Thank you everyone at Optima Tax Relief.